Hey, you're welcome to English Vocabulary with Teacher Born, where we break down advanced English words so you can use them as a native English speaker. So, in today's class, we're going to study 5 idiomatic expressions for everyday conversation. And don't forget, I am Teacher Born, and let's get started. Let's have word number 1. I would like you to please repeat after me. Bite the bullet. Very good. Come on, let's have that again. Bite the bullet. Very good. So let's have the meaning together. To do something difficult or unpleasant that you've been avoiding. I'm going to read that again. To do something difficult or unpleasant that you've been avoiding. Let's have an example. The team had to bite the bullet and complete the report by the deadline. I'll read that again. The team had to bite the bullet and complete the report by the deadline. So we just had bite the bullet, which basically means to endure something. Let's have word number 2. Back to the drawing board. Repeat after me. Back to the drawing board. Very good. That's great. So let's have the meaning together. To start over after a failure or setback. Come on, let's go together. Repeat after me. To start over after a failure or setback. Let's have an example. The proposal was rejected, so it's back to the drawing board for the marketing team. Let's have that again. The proposal was rejected, so it's back to the drawing board for the marketing team. So, back to the drawing board simply means to restart something, right? To start again. Is that okay? All right, let's have word number 3. Cotton cornice. Very good. Again, cotton cornice. Very good. So cotton cornice means to do something in the easiest or cheapest way, often by sacrificing quality. Let's have that again. To do something in the easiest or cheapest way, often by sacrificing quality. So, for example, they cut corners during production, which led to a lot of customer complaints. So, cutting corners simply means skipping steps, taking shortcuts to achieve a result. So, let's say you had to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to get to the result, but you did 1, 2, 5, and you arrived at the result. So we would say, you have cut corners. You've taken a shorter route. You've gone a shorter way. All right, let's have word number 4. Hit the ground running. I'd like you to repeat after me. Come on, let's go together. Hit the ground running. Let's have that again. Hit the ground running. Very good. It's an interesting expression. It means to start something and immediately work hard and effectively. I'm going to read that again. It means to start something and immediately work hard and effectively. Let's have an example. The new CEO hit the ground running with a bold new strategy for the company. So he started fast. So basically, it means to start fast. Hit the ground running. Start fast. Hey, can you hit the ground running? It's getting late. Hit the ground running. Let's have word number 5. Think outside the box. I'd like you to repeat after me. Come on, let's go. Think outside the box. Very good. So this expression means to think creatively or in an unconventional way. I'd like you to repeat after me. Let's have that again. To think creatively or in an unconventional way. Let's have an example. The team was encouraged to think outside the box to find innovative solutions. So, outside the box basically means to be creative. So, if you're creative, you think outside the box, right? So, you don't do things that everyone says, okay, that's how you do it, right? But you find a way to achieve a better result, to do it in a better way. So you get creative. When you have a problem, you think outside the box. You come up with solutions. So you're creative. You think outside the box. So that was it for today's class. Now, can you think of the 5 expressions we've had for today's lesson? All right, very good. So for today's class, we had bite the bullet, back to the drawing board, cutting corners, hit the ground running, think outside the box. Come on, I let's go. Bang! That was very good. So, if you want to learn new English expressions, I would like you to watch this video.